Understanding Nebulous Concept, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, nebulous concept. This phrase is not just a linguistic expression but a window into understanding complex ideas. Let's dive in and demystify what it means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Let's start by dissecting the phrase, nebulous concept. The word nebulous is derived from Latin, meaning cloud-like or vague. It is often used to describe something that is unclear, ill-defined, or hard to grasp. The word concept refers to an idea or a notion. When combined, a nebulous concept is an idea that is unclear, vague, or not well defined. To better understand nebulous concept, let's look at some examples. 1. Quantum physics is often seen as a nebulous concept because its principles are not easily understood by everyone. 2. When you start a new project without a clear plan, your objectives might seem like a nebulous concept to your team. 3. In philosophy, the meaning of life is often discussed as a nebulous concept due to its abstract nature. These examples show how nebulous concept can be applied in different contexts, emphasizing the idea of something being abstract or unclear. Now, how can you use nebulous concept in your communication? Use it to describe theories, ideas, or plans that are abstract or not fully formed. It's perfect for academic, professional, or intellectual discussions where complex ideas are often debated. Be cautious not to overuse it. Reserve it for instances where it truly captures the essence of the idea being discussed. Let's visualize this phrase. Imagine a cloud, formless, shifting, and hard to grasp. This is what a nebulous concept is like. It's not concrete or easy to define, much like how a cloud changes shape and lacks a clear form. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, nebulous concept. Remember, English is full of such intriguing phrases that can enrich your vocabulary and expression. We hope this video has illuminated this concept for you. Keep learning and using new phrases, and you'll soon find your English skills growing more robust each day.